Martin the Professional. Today we are going to demonstrate you our 2600 AV over IP series. There are two form factors, box type and the wall panel. The depth is carefully crafted so that you can put it in the floor box or else into the wall. This particular encoder can stream three things simultaneously, which is 4K 60 444, 1080p quality on H.264 and H.265, Dante audio. To demonstrate you, we have connected a source and then there's a decoder to the display, which is 4K 60 444.
To get the stream, we need to get into the encoder's web page, log in with the credentials, then you can access various options. Here, let us focus on the streaming ability. You can choose either 264 or 265 mode. On that H.264, you have multiple options to stream: direct YouTube stream, Panopto for recording, our SVSI N3000 series for streaming the signals, or else custom. On the custom, we have multiple modes, as you can see. For demonstration, we are choosing RTSP now, and you'll get the stream here. So we can copy paste the stream URL to VLC player to stream the video.
Since we have leverage of H.264 and H.265, using a cable, we can stream it to a laptop, for example. Of course, there's a Wi-Fi network, so I can stream it to many or any mobile devices. With the help of digital signage system, we can achieve this as well. This particular features are required in the AV industry every day in, day out. We are more than happy to help you. Contact us. Thank you. Another interesting latency fact testing. This is for you. You can pause this video and see the numbers anytime. Thank you.